Hello everybody and welcome back to the YouTube channel. Today I'm going to discuss about the YouTube channel Turbo Rally Milo, aka my friend Milo, that has been giving support on my latest YouTube shorts. This is my first long form video and I'm talking here for the first time. It's pretty nerve-wracking, but I got the confidence from Milo to do this. But yeah, so I had an idea for him lately that he should make a video on his channel about drifting with a Bugatti Chiron, and he did it on some Roblox game named Car Dealership Tycoon. And he had a blue Bugatti Chiron, so I decided why not do the same thing, but in another game, of course, but on my channel. And I think Milo would appreciate it very much if you go check out his channel. I'm gonna put a link in the comments down below, so if it's interesting you, or even though it maybe wouldn't, I think he would appreciate it very much, and I would personally appreciate you. I also appreciate you normally, but it would just be great if you would help my friend. What happened? Okay, no, I might understand. Yeah. Woo! This is like some Red Bull kind of stunts. Yeah, but also if you wanna see more of these videos where I actually talk and they are long form, just comment down below. I am very happy that I get to speak to my viewers. You are the greatest, I know it. You are the greatest. But I and Milo also know in school we are very good friends in school too. We are both at 6th grade in the same school. But yeah, we are pretty good friends. Yeah, I remember that in the video of the Bugatti Chiron drifting, it wasn't that popular. It was the most popular video on his channel, but he has started like some weeks, a month ago, so he's not that famous yet, but he's more famous than me when I started. But yeah, I really appreciate the man. He has given support on my videos. He has given support to me in school. It's very great. And other than that, I remember that his game had been translated to Swedish, and then he learned his viewer a little Swedish, a Swedish lesson for his viewers. And Milo, if you are hearing this, tack för allting du har gjort. Jag gillar dina videor och din support jättemycket. Tack. But other than that, I think we're gonna end the video pretty soon. But before we end it, I want to test a great drift, if this could drift very hard. So you can't see the speed right now, but it's going like 250 kilometers an hour Now I'm going to drift it. Oh, okay, I hit it. Sorry. Let's try it again. Sorry. Still once. This is the last time. Did you like it, Milo? If you see this video, comment. But other than that, I'm gonna drink some Prime and then I'll say goodbye. See you in the next video. Peace.